Do you feel confused when talking to someone in English? Because you can't really understand what they're saying? Maybe people speak too fast, so you cannot hear the words clearly. Or you hear the words, but you don't know the meaning. And the truth is, when listening is difficult, speaking becomes difficult too. Because if you can't understand what people are saying, how can you talk to them? Don't worry. Today's lesson will help you fix that. In this video, I'll show you a special method to train your ears in a smart way. You will practice with 3 parts. Fill in the blank, select the missing word, and choose the best answers. Just relax, listen carefully, and try to catch the missing words. You will learn useful vocabulary from real-life examples. It will help you remember them longer. So let's begin with the first part. Part 1. Fill in the blank. In Part 1, you will have to fill in the blanks while listening to 2 short conversations. You will have 5 seconds for each answer. Get ready and listen closely.
Cooking.
Lena, I already chopped the onions.
Okay, let me heat the pan and get everything ready for cooking.
Perfect. This dish looks amazing in the recipe.
Yeah, but cooking from the internet never goes exactly as planned. I hope our French onion soup will be delicious.
Me too. Okay, onions are in. Now we add garlic.
Wait, where is the garlic? I don't see it.
Huh? I remember there was still a lot of garlic 3 days ago, so I didn't buy more.
Oops, I remember. I used all of them for the garlic bread yesterday. There's no garlic left.
Seriously? Garlic really brings the whole dish together.
I know. Without it, the flavor will not be very good.
Maybe we can use garlic powder instead. It's better than nothing.
I'm not sure it will give the same taste.
The recipe says fresh garlic is best, but we don't have much choice.
We could also use onions and add more seasoning.
Or we could run to the store quickly.
The sauce is already cooking. If we leave now, it might burn.
You are right. Let us just use what we have.
Okay, but we need to make a decision soon.
So let's use garlic powder, extra pepper, and a bit of soy sauce. They will add more flavor.
That might actually work.
Anyways, things can go wrong when we cook.
True. And even mistakes can turn into new recipes.
Exactly. Next time we'll double-check the ingredients list.
Agreed. Now let's finish this and hope for the best.
I can't wait to enjoy our meal.
The surprise birthday party. Hey Nina, Mom's birthday is this Saturday. We really need to decide how to organize her birthday.
Maybe we should keep it simple.
Simple? Again? You always say that. Sometimes I feel like we do the same thing every year.
Because Mom really likes it that way. She doesn't enjoy loud parties.
You're right, but
Last birthday, when we went out to celebrate, she got tired after only 1 hour. Do you remember that?
I get what you mean, but it's her birthday. I just thought inviting the whole family could be nice.
Even the relatives she doesn't talk to much?
Family gatherings help us keep the family close.
That's true, but they can also make her tired. She prefers calm dinners.
Okay, then what about a small BBQ in the backyard?
A BBQ still means noise, smoke, and more people. And she really doesn't like the smell on her clothes.
Maybe, but it is not that bad.
I'm just thinking about what Mom usually enjoys. She likes Italian food and soft music.
Italian food sounds a bit too formal.
Not if we make it at home.
What are you two talking about?
Hi, Dad. We're talking about Mom's birthday plans.
I suggested a barbecue, but Nina thinks a quiet dinner is better.
Your mom talks all the time about wanting peace, especially on her birthday.
So, a barbecue might not be the best idea, right, Dad?
Yeah. How about Italian food at home? Just close family and a small cake? So everything feels warm and comfortable.
That's the idea I was talking about, Dad.
Good job, sweetie.
I guess we should think about what Mom wants first.
Exactly. Making her feel comfortable is the best gift.
All right, I'll help cook and clean this time.
Part 2. Select the missing word. In Part 2, you will listen to another conversation. There will be some blanks, and you have to select the correct word or phrase to complete the sentences. Again, you will have 5 seconds for each answer. Stay focused and trust your ears.
That's $30, miss.
I have a question about the price.
Sure, what seems to be the problem?
The sign over there says strawberries are $3, but the screen shows 6.
Let me check that for you. The $3 price is for members with a rewards card.
Oh, I see. I don't have one.
No problem. You can sign up now and get the discount right away.
Really? Does it take long to register?
Not at all. It only takes a minute.
That's good. And the discount will apply immediately?
Yes, it will update once you sign up.
Okay, let's do it then.
All right, Ms. I just need some basic information from you. Could I have your full name, please?
Sure, it's Lily Jenner.
Thank you. And your birthday?
It's March 24th, 2000.
Perfect. What about your address?
123 Maple Street, New York.
Great. May I get your phone number?
My number is...
Okay, the system is processing now.
Will this help me save money in the future too?
Yes, you'll earn points every time you shop here. Then you can use your points to get discount vouchers next time.
That sounds really useful. Looks like I'll need to visit your shop a lot from now on.
Your rewards card will be sent to your home in 1 to 2 days. And shipping is free, so you don't need to worry about that.
Oh, really? That's convenient. Do you need any more information?
No, everything is all done, Mrs.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Part 3. Choose the best answer. In this part, you will listen to 2 short conversations. After that, you will answer 3 questions based on what you hear. Pay close attention, think carefully, and choose the best answer.
Small talk. Workplace.
Morning, Claire. You look tired today.
Morning, Daniel. Yeah, I really am.
Was it a long weekend?
Kind of. I went on a short trip with my friends, but the weather was terrible.
Let me guess. Was it raining?
Non-stop rain. From morning to night.
That's the worst.
We planned to walk around the city and take photos, but we couldn't go anywhere.
So, what did you do instead?
We stayed inside the hotel most of the time.
That sounds boring.
It was. We watched TV, checked our phones, and waited for the rain to stop.
Did it ever stop?
Not really. It rained until the day we came back.
Wow, that's really unlucky.
Yeah, next time I'll check the weather more carefully.
Or maybe you should bring some games to play inside when it's raining.
That's a good idea. What about your weekend, Daniel?
My weekend was different. I didn't go anywhere.
So, what did you do?
I stayed home all weekend and didn't go anywhere. I watched Netflix, ordered food, and slept a lot. Sometimes staying home is better than traveling.
I agree. Traveling can be tiring too.
All right, enough about the weekend. Let's focus on work now and get ready for the meetings.
Good idea. I don't want to be late.
Are you ready for today's meetings?
Almost. I just need some coffee first.
Same here. Mondays are always hard. I'll grab a cup too. Maybe it will give us more energy for the long day. Question 1. Why was Claire's weekend disappointing? A. She was sick. B. The weather was bad. C. She had to work. Question 2. What did Daniel do over the weekend? A. Went traveling. B. Watched Netflix, ordered food, and slept. C. Visited family.
Small talk, neighbors. Hi, excuse me. I'm Oliver. I just moved in next door.
Oh, welcome. I'm Lisa Brown. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I hope I'm not bothering you.
Not at all. What's going on?
I think I made a small mistake this morning.
What happened?
I put the trash out in front of the house, but it seems no one else did.
Ah, that's because today isn't trash day.
Oh, I see. I'm still learning the trash schedule here.
That's normal for new neighbors.
So when should I put the trash out?
Recycling is collected every Tuesday morning, and regular trash is collected on Friday mornings.
Got it. Thanks for explaining. That really helps.
No problem at all.
I'll make sure to remember it next time.
Oh, and I want to remind you about this. It's usually very quiet around here at night, but your music was really loud.
Oh, I didn't notice that.
Before 9 p.m., you can play any kind of music you want or use any instruments you like. But after 9 p.m., please keep the noise down.
OMG, I'm really sorry about that. I didn't mean to bother you guys.
It's okay. I just wanted to let you know.
I understand. I'll be more careful from now on.
Thank you. I'm sure you'll enjoy living here.
I think so too. Everyone seems very kind.
Oh, by the way, at the end of every month, we have a small activity so neighbors can meet and have fun. Feel free to join us.
That sounds fun. I'd like to join and meet more neighbors.
Question 1. When is regular trash collected? A. Tuesday, B. Thursday, C. Friday. Question 2. What mistake did Oliver make? A. He put trash out on the wrong day. B. He didn't separate recycling. C. He forgot trash day.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope this lesson was helpful. Remember, the more you practice, the better you will become. So keep listening and keep learning. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.